Hello little artists! Today we will learn how to make this cute ladybug using a Play-Doh.
I will be using these colors and amount of Play-Doh to make the ladybug. First, I will start with the body of the ladybug and I will shape this bow. I will start pressing it on the table very gently, not pressing too hard. I want to keep this round shape, just I want the bottom of it to be flat. While shaping it, I'm using my fingers. And the body of the ladybug is ready. Let's continue with the head. I will shape the head. I will attach this black bow to the body. I'm using my fingers to do this, and I'm trying to be very careful because I want to keep this round shape. Now I will use my Play-Doh knife and I will mark the wings of the ladybug. I will put a line exactly in the middle of the body, and when I'm doing it, I'm not pressing hard because I don't want to go too deep with my knife. I will continue with the black dots on the body of the ladybug. I will start pinching small pieces of black Play-Doh and attaching them to the body. The ladybug is almost ready. Let's continue with the eyes. I will use this white Play-Doh that I have here and I will shape two very small balls, and after it I will squeeze them. And when I'm ready, I will attach them to the head. Using a black Play-Doh, I will make two very small bows, smaller than the white bows for the eyes that I made before. And these very small bows will be for the pupils. And now I will put them in the white area of the eyes. I will attach them nicely. Let's continue with the next step. Let's shape the antennas. I will shape two small balls, and after it I will start rolling them on the table. They don't need to be too big. They just need to be thin and short. Let's attach them on the top part of the head. With this small red piece of Play-Doh that I have here, I will shape the mouth. It doesn't need to be too big, maybe almost the same size as the antennas or maybe even a bit smaller. When I'm rolling it, I'm just using my fingers. Let's attach it now to the head. I would like to put one final touch on my ladybug. So with this small piece of pink Play-Doh, I will shape the cheeks. So first I will make them as bows and after it I will squeeze them. And let's put them next to the mouth. It will make it look cuter. And the ladybug is ready. Look how cute it is.